Hi guys, so it's at night, but the way I'm feeling, I just need to do this maternity bag packing right now. I want to pack my bag. I already did the organization and everything. Now I want to pack my hospital bag, my bag and baby's bag, so that we're ready. If anything happens, we just pick and go. So I didn't buy the usual bag, the one that comes with 5 whatever, because one I didn't like it at all. So I went for this. Capish green for baby's things. Hope it will fit. So I went for this for baby's things. For baby's things we put here. Then mine tutaeka hapa. I just put them in this backpack because it's just 1 or 2 days thing and then we are done. There's a bag I want. If I get it, I just want one bag, like a tote bag, because usually we don't carry much while going to the clinic. We just carry the book, kalina, diapers, 1 or 2, and maybe 1 cloth set, which I feel is not that much. So I don't need all those 5 bags I'm seeing. So first things first, this is the bag we are going to use. I have my store book here with me. It's ready with all the documents I need. They are inside here. Ready? Yeah, guys. So this is my store book. It will come in here. First thing, the documents I need, ID and everything, they are inside there. So I'm not going to carry a lot. I'm going to take two pair of boots. Two. I don't need to carry a lot. I'm really praying for normal delivery, the V delivery. So if it's V, it will not stay that much, because last time I delivered today, by tomorrow we were released without complication. They're just being observed for 24 or 48 hours. So I believe we won't need that much, but if need be, I'll send someone to come and add us something. So we'll go with I'm going to go with these 3 flannels. This one, and this one. I'm carrying these 3 because this one will act as a receiver. The moment baby comes in, the atapanguzwa, atawekwa hapo ndani, and then they'll cover him with this, and then this will be ya kutoka hospitali. So let me show you how we are going to do it. And then with that, so this combination, we'll just go with this. This is just a warm medium shawl. For those who didn't see it when I was doing the haul, so this is how it looks. Once baby amekuwa covered into this, they put this, and then they put this a warm shawl, kind of lighter, not that light and not that heavy. Good enough. You know, we are unlucky. Our season is very cold, so baby need to be very warm. But I believe with all that dressing that we are going to do, baby will feel warm. So we go, and then this one too. So ndio itakuwa nje. Once ameshavalishwa, amefunikwa, hii itakuwa nje, hii itakuwa ndani, and then this one itakuwa katikati. Hope that one will keep baby warm. Hope so. Hope that day won't be so cold. Yeah guys, so we're not carrying a lot. So these ones will go like this. Hizi ndio zitafunika baby hivi. And then hii itakuwa kama receiver. This will be a receiver. See, like that. Let me put this one inside. Yeah, so that they don't mess with my plan. They can mess. They can receive baby with that. So this will be the receiver. So with my baby, I didn't buy the receiving set, the new receiving set, because one, I'm not a fan of that. I don't like vitu zinafanana sana. Despite I have some few, but I didn't see the need of it. And you people, if you watch my haul, I already told you that we were on a budget and we didn't want to overdo. So I've got two sets, this one and this one. Zenye tumechanganyisha tu, bora why? So this will be the receiving set. Let me drop you closer so that you can see it. So this is my first set. I got this. Let me just show you. This romper, 0 to 3 months. Newborn, kind of newborn, yeah. It's a newborn. And then I'm going to pair it with this sweater. This white sweater. Unfortunately, it has a zip. I don't like zip thing for babies. But sometimes you don't have choices. So with that sweater, and then this tic-tac. This one, it has some green on it. We're trying to blend. This one, trouser. So this tic-tac will act like a t-shirt because I don't want to overdress too, because then it's heavy. Because it has a sweater and a romper which is a long sleeve, so I gave it a short sleeve tic-tac with a trouser. And then I have cape which is green in color, and then the mitten, and then these cutie socks. So these ones are ready. These are set. This will be the receiving set. So this is what we are going with. Tukiambatana pamoja na yeye. So we'll use that one. Let me remove those ones. So this will be first set. Yeah. So that one will be like that. And then, God willing, if we are leaving the stall, we'll be using this one. It's just a mixture, nothing. Nikibora baby amefunikwa. I didn't get matching things. So the same thing, we'll be using this fleece romper. It's a newborn. Then we'll put on this sweater. Yeah, this one. And then this tic-tac for newborn. And then it will go with this trouser. Just, we dress up, we don't match anything. And then with a white hat and a mitten. I feel I've carried the same mittens, but no problem. Yeah, and a mitten, white mitten, and these socks, pair of socks. So that will be hospital leave out, because actually people will just see this miguu and this sweater. But I feel like changing this sweater, but it's warm. Yeah, that way. Hata no one will see baby's dress code because they usually covered with shawl. So that's it. So this one ndio tutavaa tukitoka. So we'll be going to the delivery room. Tutapeana hivi. Plus this one. So that one, that's it. Let me bring it closer. I know you people are not seeing. So this is what we'll be going to the delivery room with. This one, the shawl, this one, medium shawl, this one they'll wrap the baby with. This will be a receiver. So this one itakuwa up kabisa hivi, ndio if they come they pick it. It will be easier. Then this one I've hidden it here. They'll wrap the baby after I'm dress. Hopefully the person who will be dressing the baby atashikanisha. Yeah, so this is the delivery room set. Will go like this. No, I forgot to put one thing. There's something I want to add. Let me add it here. I forgot to add diaper. Yeah, so we'll add diaper. Let's put the diaper here so that they'll see it like that for baby. So this is the atavalishwa hivyo, so diaper will be there. So the set is ready like that, and then this one tutavaa tukurudi plus this one. So this one we'll just change the flannel, and this will be day 2 flannel like that. The shawl, I believe they'll still be clean because nothing much. Baby atakuwa amekuwa covered. So I'll carry extra diaper. This one also will go like this. I might not be the one doing it, so like that, like that. So I'm carrying these 4 extra diapers, if any case, because I'm changing the hospital. The last one I went, they didn't give us diaper, so I'm going to another one, and I don't know whether they give diaper or not. So the other things we are carrying, this is the, how do you call this, liner. I'm carrying this liner if any case baby will get bathed, sabuni, mafuta for diaper change, and then this is washcloth, and then I'm carrying this a wipe which I've been using. This one. I think it still have a lot, and I feel it's easier to carry this one because it still got a lot. So I'll carry this one. You see, baby, mpya full. So these ones will go like that. Yeah, like that. So this is baby set, fully set. Everything is ready. So let me pack baby's bag. No, let me share with you mine, then we pack once and for all. So with me, I'm not carrying a lot because me ni mtu mkubwa. First thing first, I'll carry this bonnet. After tumemaliza kanungo, tutakuwa tunalala nayo bonnet, and then I'll go with this pair of socks, bonnet, and then this maternity. This is one of my maternity. See, maternity, how do you call it? Bra. So I'm carrying this black. So for some reason, I don't know why I love black. It has been so helpful, by the way. I bought 2. This one and the brown. Ever since I've been wearing this, it's very comfortable. Yeah, so I'm carrying that one. Nani, mama bila leso, si mama. Mama bila leso. So I'll go with this leather. And I've got 2 deras, my nursing deras. This one, it's got a zip here, which tukimaliza immediately tutavaa kama tujapewa uniform, but I suspect that we might be given hospital uniform. So this one itakuwa very easier to breastfeed with tukiwa hapo ndani. And then this one, if you've been in this channel, you know this dera, it's been a common figure. So I felt I should carry it. I really love it. It's comfortable. We've gone through the journey with it, and I love it. So this one and that one, it's also a nursing dera, but it has this kampira hapo mbele, si a zip. So that will be my things. And then my mafuta I want to mix and gawa here because I can't carry all of this, so I want to mix, then I divide here, then I'll carry. So this is my oil. I'm going to divide, then I'll mix. Yeah guys, so I usually add glycerin. The other thing I'm going to carry is this sweater. No, let me fold it, then you guys can see it. So this is my jumper. Kuna kabaridi ingine inaingianga after delivering, which I can't explain. So, and the place I'm going is so cold. Hapo ni baridi. So kama they are providing the heater, me, I actually feel very cold. Na ogopa baridi. So, nimebeba sweater. If any case I feel cold, I'll wear a sweater. And then my go-to diaper. Yangu pay already hapa. The baby already, yangu pay already hapa. So I'd already shown you. I'm going to use this bag to pack my things. So let's pack very quickly. And then I think that's it. Those are the things we're going to take. If need be, if you stay longer, that's all. We'll send someone home to bring them because they're just ready. So this is baby set. And this is mommy set. I think that's enough. I don't need a lot. That's it. With the sandals. And I know we'll be given toothpaste and toothbrush. Hizo vitu tudogo tutapewa. So let's pack Kababa's things and then Kamama's things.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true.
So our bags are ready. I'm going with these two bags for a journey of 2 days, 2 to 3 days, and we'll be back with a visitor. So guys, so this will be my maternity bag for baby and for mama. So thank you for watching. So guys, Dila nataka kuwasalimia. Enda wasalimie. Nataka kuwasalimia before baby akuje.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, karibu sana, and make sure to subscribe to our channel.
Oh, baby comes. Hit that button and like. Bye.
This is our bag, so bye. See you in the next video.
One thing certain, I'll always